Hey guys, it is Keisha here with a Dollar Tree Valentine's DIY. If you're not a part of the Frugal Fam, go ahead and subscribe and you will be a part of the Frugal Fam. So I am making a DIY Valentine's gift for my husband. I'm actually going to do two options, so let's get into it. I purchased all of my items from Dollar Tree, and I actually had about three different containers, but I decided on two. My husband loves chocolate, especially chocolate and peanut butter, so I made sure to pick some of that up. I don't know if I'm going to use this. I doubt that I will, but I grabbed one. Also, I thought this idea for the 52 date night ideas was really fun, so I grabbed that. And like I said, my husband loves chocolate, so that is all I picked up was chocolate. But Dollar Tree had so many different candies and stuff for Valentine's Day. So if you don't like chocolate, there are options. This is one of the containers that I grabbed. Super, super cute, but I decided not to use this one. Here's another one that I grabbed that I thought was really nice. And this container is actually from the party section, and you have probably seen it in other DIYs. And then I brought some of this heart scatters and ribbon. They had a big selection of ribbon there, which I thought was really cool. And I've had these transfers for a while and I finally decided to use them. This is the perfect time to use them. So you can find these in the craft section at Dollar Tree. So I'm not the best at DIYs, you guys, but I will do my best here. So right now I'm just taking the candy canister and taking all the stickers off of it. You can find these in the parties catering section of Dollar Tree. They are really nice quality, and they do come with their own lid. So I think that's great. I'm also taking these transfers and cutting out the ones that I feel like will be perfect for Valentine's Day, those that really imply love. And so I'm going to be using these. These are really, really easy and simple to use, by the way. All you have to do is cut out the ones you are using and then place them on your surface and rub them out. You don't need any water or anything like that. And then peel away the backing of it and pretty much voila, there you go. It is transferred on. So pretty simple to use. Now that those are on, I'm just going to empty out my candies into the jar. I was going to try to do some sort of a gradient, but I was like, nah, that's okay. I'll just put them in smallest to largest. So yeah, I'm just emptying these out, and I made sure to put the Ghirardellis where they were facing outwards so they're a little easier to read. And that's pretty much all I did when it came to the candies. And then I followed up with the little 52 dates idea jar. And that was it. That was pretty much it for that. And here is the finished product. I cut a piece of ribbon and added that to the lid. I secured it with some of that double stick tape that I bought from Dollar Tree, which is really, really easy to use. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That was option number one. So if you're looking for something quick and simple and easy, this is definitely something to try. The most expensive thing was the candies. So I spent more on those than I did on the ribbon and the jar. So a very affordable, easy peasy option for a Valentine's Day gift. Now moving on to my option. I can't take full credit for this one. I got this idea from Pinterest, and I will put the name of the account that I found this on. There's several different ones like this on Pinterest, but I'll just put the one that I was looking at and that I saved. So yeah, all you're gonna do is take a box, make sure that it comes with a lid, and you're going to cut the sides of the box. Just basically cut slits in the corners of the box. I had to remove the lid on this one because it was a part of the box. So I actually had to cut this lid off. So it still turned out okay. I still liked it. Taking some of that double-sided tape and securing it to the sides of the box. Then I'm adding the candies where I want to put them, just splitting them up. And like I said, this tape is so, so easy to use. Now I'm adding some of the glittered table spread type of hearts to the box just to add a little bit of extra pizzazz, I guess, to the DIY. I just thought that it would add extra color and make it a little more fun. Then I follow up with, of course, all of the candies, and there's no rhyme or reason for the remaining candy. It's just going in there as is, and I'm just filling it up as much as I can. And as long as I can shut the box or at least shut it somewhat, that's all I'm going for. And I have that 52 dates idea jar right in the middle. So the tricky part is actually closing the box up. This took a while for me to get it somewhat to where I could actually work with it. It did take a while, y'all, but I figured it out. And the second trickiest part was actually tying the bow, and you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. I am not the best at tying bows. I don't know why I don't look at videos ahead of time, but yeah, I'm not the best at it, but I try. But it didn't take too long. I did figure out how to get a bow going, and I think it turned out okay. So this is the final look. I think it turned out pretty good, you guys. So it's pretty simple. You just unravel the bow and then all of the goodies will be inside. So yeah, I think it turned out okay. Like I said, I wish I would have done the bow better, but it's not too bad. So I like this one the most out of the two options. I think this one turned out the best and is the most fun. Let me know in the comments, you guys, which one you liked best. Was it option one or was it option two? I think both of them were pretty easy and simple to do. So also make sure you thumbs up the video. I would appreciate it. Don't be afraid to do DIYs, you guys. I'm not the best at them either. So you got to take a chance every once in a while and see what you come up with. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you next time.